Alex Reiser here with a deep dive into nature. This time, finding your inner fire. Meditation is such a beautiful practice, especially when connected with Mother Earth. Before we get started, take a few moments to think of something you would like to release. Something that no longer serves your higher self, like a bad habit, guilt, anger, resentment, stress, a toxic relationship, maybe a mistake you made. Whatever it may be, trust that it is a perfect right thing today. Please pause the meditation to do so now. Take a few movements to feel good before you're settling in. Rolling your shoulders in one direction, then the other. Maybe taking a few neck rolls. Maybe stretching your arms long overhead. Relaxing the jaw, allowing the teeth to part and the tongue to ease away from the roof of the mouth. When you're ready, find a comfortable seat. Maybe sit on a pillow if your legs are uncomfortable. Closing your eyes, settling in to the space around you and the sensations within. Let's begin with 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose and sighing it out the mouth. Beginning to relax the body and therefore slow down the mind. You do not need to hear every word. Allow the soothing sound of the campfire and your attention to your breath be your true guide. Bring your attention to your breath, taking the experience within your own body, taking a full breath in through the nose, filling up the lower belly. As you breathe out, pulling the belly in, flexing the abs. Continue to breathe like this. Imagine you are pulling your belly button in and up towards your stomach with each exhale. Continue to take full inhales into the lower belly, flexing the core on the exhales, pulling the belly in and out. The core is our power center of our body, your inner fire, a sense of who you are. Noticing the warmth that is generating with each exhale as you flex the core. Relax the body. Just come back to normal breath in and out through the nose. lives with ease. Begin to take your entire attention to the sounds of the fire. Try to visualize the fire in the depths of your belly. Seeing the orange and yellow glow. Feeling the warmth radiating through your entire body. Listening to the pops and the crackles. Smelling the smoke. Completely consumed by the experience of the campfire within. Bring to mind the thing you plan to release at the beginning of the meditation. Picture it in your mind, allowing whatever feelings to come up in your body. It is safe to feel. Take 5 breaths while flexing the core and visualizing the fire growing within. With the fire roaring within, see the image, feeling, person, negative experience in the mind's eye. Feel it drop all the way down into the core, into that burning fire. Allowing whatever it is to melt away. Relax the core and begin to take inventory within your body. How does it feel? Lighter, freer, more relaxed, calm, sitting with your own sensations for a few moments. The noise of the fire will continue for some time. Feel free to stay here as long as you would like, listening to the sounds of the fire, or simply feeling the breath move. When you're ready to come out and finish your meditation, take your time. Come out slowly and gently.